So whether you are purchasing a brand new system or you're trying to just move from one computer to the other computer, data migration is never that simple. Now, of course, you could start out fresh and not worry about this, but a lot of us that work on a daily on our primary computer, we want to keep our data. We want to keep our documents, pictures, videos. We want to keep our applications, and we don't want to have to start all over. So in this video, we are going to be taking a look at a software that will easily allow us to do this. We are checking out PCmover by Laplink. Now, what exactly is PCmover? Well, PCmover, just like the name entails, allows you to move one PC to another PC. By this, I mean that we can select applications and documents from one computer and easily transfer them over to our new computer. We're going to show you how to do that right now. Let's get started. All right, so we're actually going to be transferring all the files from this computer on over to this new computer. But before we do that, we have to turn off sleep mode. So let me show you how to get that done before we do anything else. All right, to do this, you're going to click on the search bar below and then type in control. Select control panel and then select hardware and sound. Click on power options and then click on change plan settings. Make sure that this turn off display and put computer to sleep are set to never, because this process may take some time and you don't want your computers to turn off while you're trying it. Click on save changes and you're done. Make sure that you do this both on your original computer and on your target computer. The next step is to install the software on both systems. Double click on the download file. It'll bring up PCmover installer. Click on install, click on yes, and let it do its thing. Click on next on the wizard and click accept, and then click next again. It's gonna ask you where you want to install it. We're gonna leave it as default, and yes, create a desktop shortcut, next, and click install. Once it's finished, we're gonna unclick user guide, and we're gonna launch Laplink PCmover Professional. Click on finish, close. All right, we have it installed on both computers. The next step is to click on transfer from PC to PC. I'm going to click transfer between PCs from my old computer. And this is where you're gonna put your information. So your name, your email address, and the code or serial number that Laplink gave you. And now we have to go to our new computer and do the exact same thing. Click on transfer between PCs and enter our information once again. Now that we've gotten this far, this is where you have to decide how you want to transfer your files from computer to computer. So you have three options. Option one is to use the USB cable that Laplink sent you if you got one with your product. Option two is to do it through Wi-Fi. And option three is to use an Ethernet cable. I'm gonna go the Ethernet cable route because a direct connection is always going to be faster than doing it through Wi-Fi. Yes, you can do it through Wi-Fi though if you want to, but for me, since my old computer and my new computer are both Ethernet capable, I'm just gonna plug these two in and start the transfer. All right, I'm gonna click next on my old PC. So it actually shows us that this PC is the old PC. So it already pre-selected this one as the old PC, and it says that it found another computer, the new PC, that is currently connected to this computer. So we're gonna go ahead and click next on the other PC. And of course, it shows us that this new PC is the new PC. So on these screens, you will see a few things. One is the option to transfer the direction of what computer is transferring to what computer. So if the software doesn't automatically select your old PC as the old PC, you can click on transfer direction and it should change it up for you. The other thing that you'll see here is also that on the old computer, it gives you a little message at the bottom that tells you that you no longer need to do anything on this computer. This one is ready to go. Please continue on to the new computer. So far, the directions are pretty simple and the process has been pretty simple. Okay, so we're gonna continue on our new computer and we have the Analyze button here. You actually see the Analyze button grayed out on the one that is selected as your old PC. Before we continue though, let's make sure that we have selected the proper connection. So we're gonna click on Change Connection Method and we can see that we did select the Ethernet, which is the local area network, from one computer to the other computer, and it's gonna be a very fast transfer rate. We're not gonna do Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi does take a little bit longer. So click X on that. And now we're gonna analyze our computer. So now it's actually looking at the files and applications that you have on your old computer, analyzing to see how the connection is going to react. All right, we're going to click next on our new computer now that we're ready. And it's going to start calculating the transfer. This is going to take several minutes, as it says here. Ready to copy applications, documents, pictures, and videos, music, and other important files and settings. It says it'll take about 1 hour to transfer, total 127.3 gigs. Let's view the details here to see what it's actually transferring. So it actually has a breakdown of everything that it's transferring. So application, documents, pictures, videos, user accounts, other files, and music. So it does keep everything very organized so you can see what it's actually transferring. Back again, and we're going to start the transfer. Transfer has started. We have all the information needed to perform the transfer. Leave your PCs running and we'll let you know when the transfer is done. You can use this PC for simple things like browsing the web. For a faster transfer, you and others on your network should avoid streaming content on or copying large files. This is only if you are using the network. We are actually directly connected, so we shouldn't have to worry about this. Click OK. And now let's let it do its thing. So now down here, we have an estimated time. Now it's changed to 2 hours and 7 minutes. So we're gonna leave it running and we'll be back once this is completed. You also get to see the transfer rate at which is going in the middle. And of course you get a visual bar of everything that it's copying. Now it's gone down to 30 minutes. So the time can change depending on where the process is. So right now we're just looking at 30 minutes. Either way, we'll be back once this is done. Something else that I want to mention is that we did a full transfer from this computer to this computer. But if you want to go into advanced mode, you can select what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep. So you don't have to technically transfer every single file and every single application from one system to the next. You can cherry pick what you want and what you don't want. As you can see, so far the process has been very simple and easy to understand. The software actually guides you through every single step. With a few clicks and a few selections, we've already started the process. So let me use this time to tell you that there are actually versions of this software. In this test, we're actually using PCmover Professional, but there is another one called PCmover Ultimate. Some of the differences between the two are the fact that PCmover Ultimate is a bundle product that does come with a link cable that Laplink does include. Not only that, the Ultimate version also comes with Safe Erase. Safe Erase, what it does is once you're finished with transferring everything from your old computer to your new computer, you could actually go ahead and wipe the old computer completely so you don't have to worry about anybody else getting any of your information in case you plan on giving away the system or selling the system. PCmover Pro and Ultimate are single-use licenses. So when you purchase it, you're purchasing the license to use from your old PC to your new PC, a one-time deal. If you need to do a mass migration, or if you're an IT professional that needs to do more than just one set of computers, there is a third option. The third option is PCmover Enterprise, which opens up so many more features. So if you need software to do much more, like break fix, for example, or remote migrations, definitely check out PCmover Enterprise. We're back. So full transparency, I actually did interrupt the process halfway through and I had to restart it, but it did pick up where it left off. So good job. And the software does pick up where it left off. So we're finished now. And we have a few options here. It shows you the transferred amount and the amount of time that it took. Again, this amount is different than when we started because I did interrupt the process, but I'm glad I did that because now I know that if you do interrupt the process, you can come back right to where you left off. It does recommend for you to restart your computer, so it applies all changes. And then there's an option that says upload non-identifiable data to improve PCmover recommended. I am going to uncheck that. You can leave that on if you want to. And then I'm going to click on finish. So it's going to restart my computer. As you can see, I now have files on my desktop. These are all the files that were on my desktop on my other computer. All right, there you have it. So we have successfully copied over everything that we have on this system onto the new system. Now, if you have things that are from the Microsoft Store, it actually asks you if you want to install the stuff from the Microsoft Store. So Laplink's PCmover doesn't only transfer the local files that are on here, it knows that you have some stuff from the Microsoft Store downloaded onto your old PC. So it asks you, do you want to install it? So why should you actually check out this product? Well, not only does it streamline the entire migration process and make your job easier, whether you're a home user or an IT professional, but it's also the only transfer tool that Intel and Microsoft recommend. So you already have two big names backing this software. I want to thank Laplink for letting us check out their software so we can show it to you and demonstrate how the process works. If you want to check out this product for yourself, I'm going to leave a few links down in the description below so you can easily find it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and I will see you on the next one.